In English sentences, the subject is the person, animal, thing, or idea that does the action. To find the subject, always ask who or what is doing something in the sentence. The subject answers that question and usually comes at the beginning. In the sentence "the dog barks," the subject is the dog because it is doing the action of barking. In the sentence "she sings beautifully," the subject is she because she is doing the action of singing. Notice how both subjects answer the question who or what is doing the action. In the sentence "birds fly," the subject is birds because they are doing the action of flying. In the sentence "the cat sleeps," the subject is the cat because it is doing the action of sleeping. Every sentence has one main subject that performs the action. Here is your first practice. Look at the sentence "Ram's brother is quite sick." Ask who is sick. The answer is Ram's brother, so that is the subject. Now look at William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. Ask who wrote? William Shakespeare is the subject. Next, practice exercise. In the sentence "the boy stood on the burning deck," ask who stood? The boy is the subject. In "nature is the best physician," ask what is the best physician? Nature is the subject. Practice asking who or what does the action. Continue practicing. In "the flowers bloom in spring," ask what blooms? The flowers are the subject. In "my sister cooks delicious food," ask who cooks? My sister is the subject. You are getting better at finding subjects. Final practice. "The children are playing in the park," asks who are playing? The children is your subject. "My father drives a car," asks who drives? My father is the subject. Now you know how to identify subjects easily. Remember these 3 important points about subjects. First, always ask who or what does the action. Second, subjects usually come first in the sentence. Third, subjects can be single nouns, pronouns, or groups of words called noun phrases.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.